farmer and his father. Hello. Fence is closed.
You hear the bleating?
Did you say something?
Yeah, can you hear the bleating?
Yes, the little sheep.
The little voices.
Yes.
Mommy. I wonder if we'll get to see any.
Oh, look at them.
Goodness gracious!
I must just close this. Look at them. Oh, sweet, eh? Have to close the fences on these farms, eh?
Yeah,
Close the gates.
have to. You can't let these little ones go out where they're not supposed to.
Exactly.
Look at how they're
There
playing.
are loads of them, eh? Cute.
Mommy. Hi. Hi. Oh, how gorgeous. How gorgeous are they? These are twins in front.
That was so cute, eh? Look at them.
Oh, Mommy. Are we getting to the water now?
Yes.
Oh, it's very cool that they had so much rain.
Yeah, it's amazing. Especially in the Karoo, eh? Hi. Hello, hello.
Wow, it's fantastic.
Yeah, amazing. Beautiful. This is what it's like living on a working farm, eh?
Yeah.
I must be honest with you, it's not often you come into the Karoo and you see water dammed up like this. They've had so much rain the past week.
And of course one can't drive around it.
No,
You
there's
have to drive through it.
Yeah, that might be won't make it with this little car. Yeah, we're back at the tar road.
And we're turning right to Williston.
To Williston.
Same turn off to Middle Force.
Yeah. The wind is blowing like crazy. Check all the dust.
Oh, wow.
Amazing, eh?
Very windy today.
Very
eh?
windy today. One day we'll compare the footage when we come past here again.
True. Little Table Mountain. Or Tiny Table Mountain.
Tiny Table Mountain, we tell you. Wow. Gorgeous. The town of Williston.
Now I know for sure I've never been here.
Definitely.
What does it say on that mountain?
Something boom.
Something boom, eh?
Amandelboom.
There we go.
Go. Now that's a good intro. Amandelboom. Yeah, in 1768, Johan Nel stopped off, or not stopped off, settled here at the Sak River, and after the birth of one of his sons, he planted an almond tree, which is known as an Amandelboom in Afrikaans. And then the town grew, and it got the name Amandelboom. That's really incredible. And then also, the name changed to Williston because when the British took over, I think it was 1883, it was named after a Colonel Willis. So the name turned to Williston. But I see on the mountainside there, still written Amandelboom.
Yeah.
In white stone.
I suppose they still think of it fondly as Amandelboom.
Exactly. Interesting, these little places, eh?
Yeah, very much so. Very much so.
I think I must put in petrol.
I think so. Let's do that first.
We're sitting here at Manna Restaurant here in Williston. We decided we're going to have a breakfast, late breakfast,
Brunch.
early lunch, brunch type of thing. But I want to read you the two things that we've ordered today. Ordered the Rooistreepberg and the Tierkop. So we'll see what that looks like when we get it. Where we're sitting and having our brunch. Fancy, fancy, hey, wow. Kijk nou net. Kijk nou net.
Interessant, dankie.
Kijk hoe mooi is dit hoor. Yes, die. Dit is die?
Dit is hier de tierkop.
Tierkop, oké.
Dat is hier Rooistreepberg.
Is dit wat ons bestel het?
Ja.
Oké. Oké, ja, is reg. Dankie. Baie dankie hoor.
Maar ek gaan van sy nou, broer moet jou.
Ja, ons gaan deel. Dankie hoor.
Dankie.
Well, we just finished our brunch, which actually turned out to be lunch.
Yeah, it was delicious
It
though,
was
right?
stunning. Really worth the wait.
So mine was a pancake filled with cheese.
Cheese, bacon and egg.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
With a
And-
cheese sauce and fried mushroom and onion.
Yes.
Fantastic.
And mine was just the normal boerewors with pap and
Krummelpap?
krummelpap and sauce.
Relish, yeah.
Relish, gravy. Really nice. Thanks to, what's the girl's name that served us?
Suzette.
Suzette.
And now we'll explore the rest of the town.
Now we're going to first go and buy some groceries. And then groceries for the evening and the afternoon.
Handel's huis.
And then we're going to explore Williston and see what else we can find.